Alrighty, what's going on today, y'all? I'm going to be talking to you about the Rhythmtech RT1010 Tambourine. The world of tambourines is much more vast than you may think. And this is just an excellent hand tambourine that we use a lot here in the studio. Rhythmtech is really known for their high quality instruments, pretty well renowned. If you're a percussionist or drummer at all, I'm sure you've heard of Rhythmtech. The shape of this tambourine specifically is a crescent shape, as you can see. Crescent moon. And I've always found this shape to be just like the most ergonomical for your hand than a full circle tambourine or a double crescent. You know, yes, you sacrifice not having the drum head like you do on the full tambourine, so you can't get that same percussive sound. But I can, get past that for just like the comfort and, the feel of this one, I guess you could say. As for the jingles, as you can see, there are 8 pairs of jingles around the entire tambourine. Jingles are made out of nickel. They really produce a nice, I would say, just bright sound. This is like really good for pop music, modern rock. It really just cuts through well and better than, again, like the full circle tambourines, those like vintage sounding tambourines. The nickel as a material is also just very long lasting. We've had this thing in here for a while and we use it all the time, and they still look just like they did when we bought it. So it says a lot. They're not gonna like rust or get weird or nasty or anything. No, it's gonna just kind of look as they should. As for the feel of this thing when using it, as I said, super ergonomical tambourine, very easy to hold. The cool thing is that they have this little handle here, little plastic handle, really easy to grip. Again, unlike other tambourines where you have to put your thumb in and kind of do it, just makes more sense to have this kind of shape. Unfortunately, I wish there's some more expensive tambourines that have a cushion right here on the grip. Your hand can get a little sweaty after a while, and we've also done gigs with this tambourine, and that's what I've noticed when I've been playing it, is that my hands get a little sweaty on the plastic. So it'd be cool if it had maybe a rubber cushioned grip or something like that. It would also make it more comfortable to use for longer periods of time, especially if you're playing tambourine 4 minutes straight throughout a song. If anybody watching this has done that, that it really requires some effort and some endurance. So that would have been nice, but again, for the price, really go without that. It's not the biggest deal in the world. This one, obviously, you can see is a bright red, kind of got that fire truck red look, and Rhythmtech also makes a wide array of colors, which is cool. I don't know why we picked red. We picked red when we did, but you can also get blue, yellow, green, black, I think a number of other colors. Overall, I think this is just like a really solid tambourine. I would highly recommend this to anybody looking to get a new tambourine, whether you're getting it for playing live or recording. It works really well. You're definitely not going to get that vintage sound. So if you're going for a more vintage sound, I would get a darker sounding tambourine. Maybe go for one of the circular full circle tambourines with the heads on them. They are definitely the most vintage sounding, just because this one's super bright. One of my drummer buddies thinks that this is too lightweight. I beg to differ. I kind of like that it's really lightweight. Again, my arms get tired after a while, and maybe it's because I'm not a drummer, but for me this is perfect. And I think for the average tambourine user or player, this is going to work out great for you. But obviously anything comes down to personal preference. I really like this, and I think y'all should check it out if you're looking for a new tambourine. So again, that's the Rhythmtech RT1010 Tambourine. Start jingling. All right, later.